Hey everybody, Mark here, Southwest Superbikes. Welcome back. We're upstairs in the museum right now. We'd love to have you stop by and come take a tour. We're doing a lot of changes in here. We've got, as always, some really trick one-off bikes. Specialize in vintage racers, but we do a little bit of everything. But come by. We're all motorcycle people here, and we want to just get this out and show you around. So check us out, southwestsuperbikes.com. But when you're in Dallas, no matter where you're at from around the world, come by and see us. Southwest Superbikes, I'm Mark. Hope to see you around soon. Ride safe, y'all.